Выпускной субтоп шпорш. Ценник 28 декабря. Специально для канала домой онлайн. Да, Фон, манго вон хо чечен сэмли. Салам алейкум. Нихао. Китай саламат аллаху.
My gratitude to Jinan University that there are Muslim food at the 3rd floor.
这是鸡块，这个是西红柿，这个是炒蛋，这个是鸡爸爸。
好吃吗？
好吃，你要来吗？
好啊。
Ibo said there are also some differences between China and Russia, such as culture and personality.
What do you think of the differences between Chinese girls and Russian girls?
I think Chinese girls don't understand it. For example, if you blink to a foreign girl, they will think you like her. But Chinese girls think, what does it mean? But it makes them more richer. What's more, when I meet with a foreign girl and say, hello, where are you going? They will know what you mean. But Chinese girl disappointed me. But I know it's a cultural difference.
Ibo also thinks Chinese is a little difficult for him.
First 2 years I studied language. And I think Chinese is very difficult. You know why? Because China, in my native language, Russian language, I have 46 letters. But China is 6,000 characters. So it's difficult.
To test Ibo's Chinese level, we prepare a piece of Chinese 绕口令 for him. But as we can see, it's a long way.
此时此处再来一次吧。然后的此时是什么意思？然后的此时是。闪现有44个此时此处，闪后有44只石狮子。闪现的44克此时此处，44了闪后的44只是狮子。